Hello students. Welcome to your school YouTube channel. Today's topic is, what is work, power, and energy in physics? So without wasting time, let's quickly start the video and learn. Imagine you're playing cricket with your friends. You swing the bat hard, hit the ball, and it goes flying over the boundary 6 runs. In that moment, you used energy, did work, and displayed power. But how? Let's explore that step by step. What is work in physics? In everyday life, we say we are working if we're doing anything, studying, cooking, walking, but in physics, work has a very specific meaning. Definition: work is done when a force is applied to an object and the object moves in the direction of the force. Formula of work: force F is in newtons N, displacement D is in meters M. Theta is the angle between force and displacement. Work W is measured in joules J. Conditions for work to happen: 1. Force must be applied. 2. The object must be displaced. 3. Some part of the force must be in the direction of displacement. No work examples: holding a heavy suitcase without moving, no displacement, so no work. Pushing against a wall that doesn't move, again, no displacement, so no work. Types of work: 1. Positive work, when force and displacement are in the same direction. Example: lifting a book upwards. 2. Negative work, force and displacement are in opposite directions. Example: friction when a ball rolls and slows down. 3. Zero work, force is applied but there's no displacement. Example: holding a bag in place. What is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. You need energy to do anything: run, lift, jump, think, even breathe. Definition: energy is the ability of a body to do work. Unit of energy: same as work, joule J. Types of energy: let's look at the major types you encounter every day. 1. Kinetic energy K. Energy of motion. Example: a moving car or rolling ball. 2. Potential energy P. Stored energy due to position. Example: a rock on top of a hill. 3. Mechanical energy. Sum of kinetic and potential energy. Me = Kepler's P. 4. Chemical energy. In food, fuel, batteries. 5. Thermal energy. Heat energy. 6. Sound energy, light energy, electrical energy, etc. Law of conservation of energy. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only change from one form to another. Example: when you eat food, chemical energy. Your body uses it to move, kinetic energy, or keep warm, thermal energy. What is power? Let's say two friends lift the same weight to the same height. One does it in 2 seconds, the other in 5 seconds. Who is more powerful? Definition: power is the rate at which work is done or energy is transferred. Unit: watt W. 1 watt, 1 joule second. Bigger units: kilowatt, 1000 watts. Megawatt, 1 million watts. Example: a 100-watt bulb consumes 100 joules of energy every second. Types of power: 1. Average power, total work divided by total time. 2. Instantaneous power, power at a specific moment. Relation between work, power, and energy. Energy is needed to do work. Work done is the transfer of energy. Power tells us how fast the work or energy transfer happens. Practical examples: 1. Roller coaster. Going up gains potential energy. Coming down, P converts to K. The motor that pulls the car up uses power. 2. Football. You kick a ball. You do work. The ball moves with kinetic energy. The stronger and faster you kick, the more power you use. 3. Weightlifting. Lifting, work done against gravity. Holding, no work in physics, no displacement. Lifting quickly, more power. Some important concepts and equations. Work energy theorem. Example: if a car speeds up from 20 km per hour to 40 km per hour, the engine does work to increase its kinetic energy. Commercial unit of energy: 1 unit used in electricity bills. 1 kilowatt-hour kWh. Efficiency: not all energy is converted usefully. Some is lost, usually as heat or sound. Quick recap with real-life examples. Concept meaning real-life example. Workforce displacement lifting a bucket. Energy ability to do work eating food gives us energy. Power work time a fast fan uses more power. Kinetic energy of motion running or driving. Potential energy stored energy water in a tank on roof. Conservation of energy total energy stays constant pendulum swings back and forth. Summary. Let's summarize all we've learned in a friendly way. Work happens when for smooth something. Energy is the ability to make things happen. Power is how quickly we use energy or do work. Work and energy are measured in joules, power in watts. Energy can change form, but it doesn't disappear. In real life, nothing is 100% efficient, some energy is always lost, usually as heat. Final words. Like your friendly teacher would say, physics is not about just formulas. It's about understanding the magic in motion. Every time you walk, talk, jump, run, play a game, or even breathe, you're using work. Energy and power, these ideas are everywhere. Learn them, feel them, and use them. Hello students, let's get to know me. The type of videos I make here are very important for your school, college, and higher studies. I do a lot of research and find answers to your questions. But for physical problems, I make voiceovers through AI. I upload 1 videos here every day. If you have any problem, please comment and let me know what your problem is, and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you on behalf of your school YouTube channel.